truck pulls up, offloads a shipment, and your warehouse team signs off. 3 weeks later, finance gets an invoice, but no one knows exactly what was received, in what condition, or whether it matches the original purchase order. So now you're paying for something nobody can fully account for. Without a proper GRN process, procurement, warehouse, and finance are all working off different information. Invoices get paid for goods that were never received or rejected or short-shipped. And when auditors ask for documentation, the scramble begins. Which is why today, on episode 13 of Prompt to App, we're going to build an app to manage workflows like quality assurance, approval cycles, compliance checks, and more of the procurement process at your company. All it takes is one prompt to Zia, Zoho's AI assistant, and it builds the entire structure for you. Once you provide Zia with the prompt, it sets up the data model along with GRN generation logic. It also sets up quality check forms, approval routing, inventory sync triggers, and compliance controls, all wired together around your procurement workflow. And here's what the finished app gives you. Quality assurance module lets your team verify quantities line by line, log the condition of goods on arrival, and create a time-stamped record of any damage, defects, or short shipments. Before any invoice gets paid, it goes through an approval check, cross-referenced against the supplier's delivery note, the GRN, and the original purchase order. Incorrect payments and fraudulent billing get caught before they go through. The status view keeps everyone aligned. Procurement, warehouse, and accounts payable can all see exactly where each order stands before an invoice hits the accounting system. When goods are confirmed received, inventory records update automatically, giving you real-time stock visibility and alerts to prevent stockouts or overstocking. And every GRN is stored in an immutable, searchable repository, a clean, verifiable audit trail that's ready for internal controls or external audits at any time. And that's your complete app prototype. We included the prompt we used down in the description. Just paste it into Zoho Creator's AI app generator and you'll have a working goods received note app to use and tweak in no time. Follow us for more in this series.